Changing your lock screen passcode on iPhone 15 enhances your device's security by regularly updating your access code, making it harder for unauthorized users to guess or access your personal information. Here's how it's done. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. Once you're in the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your current lock screen passcode, if prompted. Next, scroll down and tap on Change Passcode, then enter your current passcode again when prompted. If stolen device protection, security delay will be required, especially when you are not at a familiar location, to change security settings on your iPhone. In this case, you will need to wait for an hour for the security delay to end. By then, you should be able to change the passcode. Be sure to choose a passcode that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. After following the on-screen instructions, your new passcode will be applied and activated. To test your new passcode, lock your iPhone by pressing the side button. Swipe up on the lock screen. If Face ID doesn't unlock your device, enter your new passcode. After you're finished, your iPhone will unlock, confirming that your new passcode is set and working correctly. Regularly changing your passcode adds an extra layer of security to your iPhone 15, protecting your personal data from unauthorized access. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.